As part of the commemoration of the 81st death anniversary of MYLLUNG SOSO Tham, the Department of Arts and Culture Government of Meghalaya had organized a function in the city on the 18th of December. Those present were Minister of Arts and Culture Government of Meghalaya, SANBOR SHULLAI, the Secretary of Arts and Culture Department FR KHARKONGOR, Special Invitee SUMAR SAWIAN, relatives of the poet, school students, teachers and other invitees. Performances by various groups and communities of the state were also witnessed during the event. While addressing the gathering, SANBOR SHULLAI lauded the efforts of Meghalaya's poet laureate for his contribution towards enrichment of Khasi literature. SHULLAI also termed SOSO Tham as a visionary and secular writer who had written for the cause of the Jajbanriya or the Khasi community of the state.
He shines out as a foremost star in the constellation of Khasi poet, and I must admit that Khasi literature would never have reached its present glory and it not been for the mighty contribution of Uli Babu SOSO Tham. The name of SOSO Tham rests on the highest pinnacle among the literary towers and he stood head and shoulder over all the other poets. I am happy that the government has taken the initiative to commemorate his death anniversary with the support from his family members, and I hope that this will continue in the years to come. By his demise, the Khasi people have lost a great genius. Yet even though his physical presence is no more with us, but his spirit and his name live on forever through the invaluable legacy he has left behind him for the Khasi people and for all of us present here today.